Alright you guys, in the first episode I'm going to show you how you can activate your reverse camera without actually having to be in reverse. This is on a 2018 STI base model, just a normal Starlink radio. It does not have the navigation. But without further ado, let's go ahead and show you guys how to activate this rear camera. Just go ahead and go into accessory mode, just because we don't really need to turn the car on when we're in the garage. But I do have a clip of me driving, and I'll show you guys that it does work while actually driving, like down on the highway. So it does not matter which screen you are in. Basically all you have to do is hold the info button and press the radio button twice while holding the info button. So let me show you. Hold the info button twice with the radio button. It goes into the secret menu or diagnostic screen for the radio, and then you just go down here into camera settings, and then it activates your rear camera just like that. Super easy, super simple. And you can actually adjust everything here too. If you want to move some lines over, as you can see, you can adjust it if you would like. So this is nice to know too. So if something's kind of not right, you can readjust it to your spec. Now getting out of this is pretty easy too. All you have to do is hold down the home button for around 3 to 4 seconds. The whole radio will reset. It'll restart. And boom, you got your radio again. Now let me just point something out to you guys really quick. If you do not have your volume all the way down, like I do right here. So let me show you an example. And then you go into that setting or that menu for the backup camera. You can hear the staticky sound. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that or if it catches. But this you cannot turn down. You cannot change AUX, FM, or AM. It's pretty much stuck on this until you reset the radio again. Even when you go into the camera settings, you're just going to be hearing that staticky sound. So if you want to avoid that, you must do it properly. And before going into this setting, you want to turn down the radio all the way down to 0. It does not matter if you're in AUX, FM, or AM. You just got to turn it all the way down. Turn it down. Then you go into the setting. And it's quiet, you can't hear anything. Well anyways you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and throw up a couple clips of me driving with this actually activated so you guys can see, and there's actual proof of this working. And then I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. Here's a good example of the rear camera working while I'm driving forward. Just in case you want to keep an eye out who's behind you. In case you want to send it and you want to make sure no one's following you. And then if you ever want to get out of this camera setting, all you got to do is hold this home button for about 5 seconds. The system will reset, and then it should be right back to normal. And again, to show you guys, you can't activate it while driving. You just do info, double tap the audio button, then you get your camera setting. There we are again. Super easy. Once you get it down, very easy to control, turn on and off. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching the first episode of Quick Tip Tuesday.